Hey guys, welcome to the channel today. If you have been following the crypto world closely this year, then you'd know that Binance Smart Chain, which you might know as BSC, has rapidly risen to huge prominence this year. One major reason for this is the high transaction cost and the congestion of Ethereum network led smaller investors to look for a cheaper alternative. This led to wide adoption of Binance Smart Chain, and one of the top choices to yield on BSC, Venus, XVS, is what I'll be talking about today. This coin is currently doing the numbers. A roller coaster ride to a 128% increase. I'll be talking about everything you need to know, as well as sharing some news details about this coin. Before we get into it, be sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you can get fresh content as soon as we upload. Also, make sure to check out the link in the description for my best recommendations when it comes to making money with cryptocurrency. Now let's get into it. First things first, what is the first question you'd ask about XVS if I just told you about it? What's XVS, right? Venus XVS is an algorithmic money market and a synthetic stable coin protocol that offers a lending and borrowing solution for the ecosystem of decentralized finance, or DeFi, as a lot of us often call it. The Venus protocol allows users to mint VI stablecoins that are on demand within seconds by submitting at least 200% collateral to the Venus smart contract. According to data published by Cointelegraph, in the first 2 months of this year, the price of Venus rose to a jaw-dropping 3,000%, going from a low of $3.20 on January 1st to an all-time high of $103 on February 19th, before it later retracted to $35 on March 25th. For a coin that has already had a 3,000% increase this year, a 125% rollercoaster ride from its current all-time high wouldn't cause much of a debate. In comparison with other DeFi platforms across all other blockchain networks, Venus XVS comes in at 8, coming behind its major Ethereum competitor, Curve, which as of now has $6.47 billion in TVL. The influx of retail and institutional investors into the cryptocurrency world has increased this year, and this trend will most likely continue for the foreseeable future. Despite the Berlin upgrade to the Ethereum network this week, fees are still high, and this means that the door is still open to competing chains and protocols that are looking to expand their user base. XVS is in the right position to experience further growth because people are increasingly fleeing the legacy financial system, seeking higher yields and effortless capital mobility. So, like I said some minutes ago, the roller coaster ride to 128% of XVS was well deserved. Okay guys, let's run through everything about this coin up until its recent roller coaster ride: history, founder, market price, trading volume, and other facts. So let's begin with its history and founder. The development of the XVS token is managed by the Swipe project team, and their main goal is to achieve decentralization through a process of community governance. The interesting fact here is that there are no pre-mines for the team, founders, or developers, which gives holders of XVS total control over the path taken by Venus protocol. In September 2020, Binance announced the addition of the Venus protocol project, which, like I said earlier, is dubbed as a money market and stablecoin. The launch of XVS made it the fourth project on Binance Launchpool. There's more to know, guys. Venus protocol aims to offer digital assistant lending and generation of synthetic stablecoins that are backed by a basket of several BEP20 assets, and primarily, XVS is to be used for voting in governance decisions that include product improvements, changes in the parameters of platform, and integration of new collateral. Well, enough with the historical long talks, guys. Let's go over to the numbers. Over the past few days, the price of Venus has been on the rise, currently sitting at $116.70 with a 24-hour trading volume of $126,500,526. Over the last 24 hours, Venus has been up B9.76%, and on CoinMarketCap, Venus is placed at number 95 in the coin market ranking. If you look closely, then you'd see the potential in these numbers. At this point, I'm sure you are probably thinking, what is my opinion of this coin? Well, seconds ago, I mentioned some really interesting numbers, so here's what I think. Going by the market trend of this coin, its circulation and market cap, then it's definitely one to watch. You'd probably want to watch it really closely. The uniqueness of XVS gives it a great edge, and there's a high possibility of a wide adoption soon. High speed and low transaction cost are part of what makes XVS stand out. The protocol is also the first to allow users to AC lending markets for BTC, XRP, and Litecoin. Before we come to the end of today's video, let's look at some price prediction for XVS, currently on a 128% increase, averaging a daily increase of 8.58%, and enjoying a roller coaster ride to the top like never before. Digital Coin is very optimistic about the price of Venus, predicting that it will hit a new all-time high of $176.93 in the coming months. Over a 2-year period, they are predicting a 200% increase, and they do not see the price dipping in the future. According to Wallet Investor, XVS is an awesome long-term investment. Wallet Investor claims the price of XVS will hit the $150 mark before the end of the month, and for a long-term run, we might be looking at a 696.2% increase. Cointabay is also another platform that is optimistic about the price of XVS, predicting a 12.4% increase in the coming weeks. However, on a long-term basis, Cointabay doesn't have a strong faith in XVS. Quick one on the XVS you need to know: Venus is rewarding token distribution. Holders of Venus token will receive an airdrop exclusively on Binance Smart Chain on May 15 at block number 7,479,562. The airdrop will be sent also to the exchange addresses, and Venus will be announcing their support plans soon. The ratio of the airdrop will be 1000 VRT to 1 XVS. It will also apply to the net amount of XVS that you have supplied to the Venus protocol and hold VXVS. Also, Venus will be airdropping 1 Venus NFT per 10 XVS you own, which includes net XVS that you've held as VXVS, although, this one won't be sent to exchanges, instead, all non-exchange wallets. This limited edition of NFT is a commemoration of the Venus protocol for all circulating supply XVS holders and will never be re-minted again. That's huge, guys. I'm sure you all don't want to miss this. That's all for today, guys. If you have any contribution to today's video, or perhaps I missed some important details, facts, or news, hit the comment section right away. I'm looking forward to seeing your comments. If you're looking to learn more about finance and investing topics like this, stay tuned for our next videos. Also, make sure to check out the link in the description for my best recommendations when it comes to making money with cryptocurrency. Don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on anything. See you next time.